Hi, welcome back to Missing Chemistry. This is the phase diagram for water, lesson 1. Okay, water is one of these substances, compounds, that can exist in 3 different phases, as a solid, a liquid, and a gas. Now, the normal freezing point of water, which is right here, is at 1 atmosphere and 0 degrees Celsius. So at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere, water will normally freeze. Okay, water's normal boiling point, where water no longer exists as a liquid but becomes a gas, is at 1 atmosphere, again, and 100 degrees Celsius. However, if you increase the pressure, water can exist at higher temperatures than 100 degrees Celsius, and that's what this curve right here shows. Think about this. If you had a pressure cooker and you put water in the pressure cooker and you lock down the lid, the pressure of the water vapor above the liquid becomes greater, and it keeps the water from boiling. Right? So as the pressure increases, water can stay liquid. But at the critical point, that's the point where at 373.99 degrees Celsius and 217.75 atmospheres, water can no longer be kept as a liquid, no matter how much pressure you put upon it. Once it exceeds 373.99 degrees Celsius, you can put all the atmospheres of pressure that you would want on it, but it's still going to turn into a gas. Right, triple point. Now, this is where water can exist as a solid, a liquid, or a gas, and that'll occur at 0.01 degrees Celsius and at a very low pressure of 0.0060 atmospheres. Okay, that's pretty cool. So remember that the phase of water, whether it's a solid, liquid, or a gas, is dependent on pressure versus temperature. So let's go over the definitions one more time. Normal freezing point, water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. Normal boiling point, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and 1 atm. Triple point, water can exist as a liquid, solid, and a gas at 0.0 degrees Celsius and 0.0060 atmospheres. Critical point is where water can no longer exist as a liquid above 373.99 degrees Celsius and the pressure above 217.75 atmospheres. So at that point, that's where water automatically turns into a gas, no matter how much pressure that you put upon it. Critical pressure is the maximum pressure at which water can exist as a liquid at 373.99 degrees Celsius. Well, that's it for this lesson, guys. You be snarly, and we'll see you back here at Missing Chemistry.